In a world where financial security often seems like an elusive dream, understanding the principles of personal finance is the first step towards turning that dream into reality. Today, we're embarking on a journey towards financial freedom, a path paved with informed saving, intelligent investing, and strategic capital allocation. Saving is not just about putting money away, but about laying the foundation for a secure future. It's about making conscious decisions to allocate a portion of your income towards your future goals, emergencies, and investment capital. Let's explore practical strategies to enhance your saving habits, ensuring that every dollar saved today is a building block towards your financial freedom tomorrow. Where saving ends, investing begins. Investing allows us to grow our wealth, combat inflation, and secure our financial future. From the stock market to real estate, each investment vehicle has its unique advantages and risks. We'll demystify these options, guiding you through the principles of compounding interest, risk diversification, and the importance of starting early. Effective capital allocation is the art of using your financial resources wisely. It's about making decisions that balance risk and reward according to your personal goals and time horizon. We'll delve into strategies that help you decide how much to save, how much to invest, and where to invest, ensuring that every decision moves you closer to financial freedom. The synergy between saving and investing is the cornerstone of building lasting wealth. Saving provides the capital necessary for investment, while investing ensures the growth of that capital. Together, they form a powerful duo that can accelerate your journey towards financial freedom. Let's uncover how you can harness this synergy to create a robust financial future. Financial freedom is not a destination, but a journey. It requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Remember, it's never too late or too early to start on this path. With each step you take, saving, investing, and allocating your capital wisely, you're not just securing your own future, but also setting a foundation for generations to come. Start today. Embrace the principles of personal finance, and take control of your financial destiny. Together, let's build a future where financial freedom is not just a dream, but a reality.